Hello.
Ito siya, yung mama niya. Second namin child daw. Why is keeping alone? Yeah. Ay, mga previous exercise. Come on. Share ko sa inyo. Come back this afternoon for tasting?
Yeah. No, it's at dinner. Wednesday. 68 for adult, 28 for child. Pero buffet na po with the fire dance.
Wala eh.
Anong oras yun? 6 o'clock na po yung start. Nung ganitong age namin sa sinasama, wala problema. Tama talaga. Pero ngayon,
Ako muna ha. Look at me. 1, 2. Okay.
this way. Bola! Bola! Everything pala 11. May basketball din sila mamaya doon na. Tie-dye. We're doing tie-dye. Basketball din. 3 o'clock po. Nag-hotel ulit ako. different. Is that perfume?
No, you can smell it.
Oh, is there a Lovo
Ayun
perfume?
pala yung tiga ni Mara.
Yeah, but this is where they will be inside and you can stand here.
Okay.
Soon. 3:30. 5 more minutes to go. 7 more minutes to go. So, okay. But you go now?
Yeah.
Excuse me, lady.
Puro nakatuwala ba? Wait! There you go. Can you smell it? Yeah, nice. Very cold, very cold.
Think cold. You think
Yeah.
cold? It's cold.
Yeah,
Don't think hot.
it's freezing, it's freezing.
Yeah, yeah.
Just like
You gotta do reverse psychology. It's cold, it's cold.
what is it down there?
Yes.
You open it.
Yummy.
Stop chicken.
Oh, you took it cool.
How can you say big? Then also you can.
Oh, for goodness sake.
Very
Very cold. Very cold, very cold.
Standing around there.
Very cold, it's freezing.
Oh, have a swim. Yes, fun.
Yeah.
Oh!
Ouch. Ouch.
Here's some blood.
Yeah, you should have gardening gloves on. Not plastic gloves. Get your food and beverage, give you gardening gloves.
health and safety for you guys.
Well done.
Then book strap from the rocks. Now we have to clean, get rid of this mess. Tomorrow you will have to use it. Pigeon light, Monday.
And the fly. Kami sausawan.
Wanna try chicken? You wanna try chicken or pork? Diba?
Remember family, this is tasting only, not eating. And if you wanna eat, book. If you not get book, only those who are booked, they are here for tasting. Hands up if you're booked. Yay, you book.
He's with us.
I'm a notebook.
It's a notebook.
Not book. Oh, can we weave those as well?
Go on, Salim.
You can weave it.
Get it.
Siya yung ginawa ng handwriting sa happy birthday.
Ayan po yan.
Kanina ko pa hinahanap kung anong division.
Pinakon.
Si Kuya Papa. Nakita ko sila kumuha kanina coconut juice.
Napalayo.
Pinias.
Ah, ganun, hindi yan.
Kasi iba-ibang kulay po yun.
Ano yun eh? Taro. Is there
There's
any?
milk. Hey, ladies.
Are you
Come on.
Are you paying them to fan it?
Yes,
You get a free
this.
feed.
I'm paying you to taste.
You get to eat.
In teaching ladies to this.
To the men.
While the men eat first.
Eating. Ah,
Men cook and then men eat. After the men eat, then the ladies.
Stop it.
Because men really do cook. I know ladies cook, but you cook in just a ingredients that you know just for the family. Men cook, we add a lot of secret ingredients,
Sweat.
not only for the taste. So when you eat like this, you gotta. I love my husband.
puwak ka.
Mom, keep your hand away from the knife.
Put your hand here. Put your hand here.
There's a doctor here. She can stitch you up. Tita, what sort of doctor are
I'm
you?
a doctor too. Yeah, but I'm a dentist.
I'm a conductor.
Amelia, come around.
So where the family from? Wait, the Philippines. Yeah. Manila.
23 years ago.
Boy, 23 years ago was in the Philippines. Now in Auckland. I don't know Manila until the time I watched some Philippines movie.
Okay, gulong na para.
Kulong, sapling mo.
I didn't even watch those things.
Luisa, come on.
Sa feeling mo.
Are you Tomas?
I'm Tomas.
Who's your Luisa?
Luisa ran away. Chili. Chili, lime, and salt.
Yeah. So how we gonna eat that?
Are you gonna eat it? You hear your Fijian.
Yes.
You eat with your finger.
Okay.
Big, big, drop, drop. Taste, taste.
Is it insect or yes. Okay. Next, we get the flies. You want to try chicken?
Start.
That's how it is.
No spoon.
Do the Fiji.
This one you do the Fijian style.
It's like that.
You hear your Fijian. The tasting of the food comes from your hand.
The other night,